Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a get ready with me makeup to go literally nowhere, or maybe I will shoot some reel. I have not decided why I am doing this makeup, but just gonna glam myself up. It will be a summery light makeup, the kind of makeup I would prefer. The peachy, summery and light, just like how I want. And yeah, so yeah, let's get started. Also guys, I wanted to share this news that Amazon now has global beauty store, which is international beauty brands under one roof. So you can shop brands such as Anomaly, Dermalogica, Freeman, Neogen and so many international brands under one roof and get pay on delivery and easy returns from Amazon. So it is amazing now that Amazon has done this. So definitely check out this global beauty store and let's continue. So I have just applied my skincare. I have used my The Ordinary Niacinamide and also SPF from LA Shield today, because LA Shield is more of a matte and silky texture combined together. So I just wanted my skin to not look silky and smooth, because the other sunscreens are very hydrating to my taste. Also, I have used the Etude House eyebrow pencil, just filled it before shooting. To get rid of the eye discoloration, I am using this Wet n Wild Light Ivory Concealer from Wet n Wild, and this is pretty new. I'm going to blend it with the Real Technique sponge. The eyeshadow from Lakme, and this is their Infinity eyeshadow palette, really affordable and indie brand. This is a matte peach and this is a satin peach, so I'm going with the matte peach for the crease. So applying it on the crease, just blending it. There is a little mirror, like small mirror out here for eyeshadow. It's so perfect, like I can just see my eye crease. Now let's go with the satin one. I am using my finger, like I love applying satin shades with it. I'm gonna add a little bit for now. I'm just not gonna scare myself and you. Let's see. The brown shade and just merge it in the inner part of my lower lid. So yes, I think that's it. I don't want to add more depth or color. Next is this Magnet Eye Spaces Canada eyeliner. It is so fine and is so thin that I really love it for everyday kind of eyeliners. So yes, my favorite wing liner has added the right amount of drama. I am using this Flower Makeup Mascara. Yes, I'll just not use foundation today. Just gonna be making my skin look a little even with this concealer. I think that's good to go. Today I'm going to try this new blush from Makeup Revolution. It's their Super Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Flushing For You. It's the peach color. Looks fairly pigmented for the amount I took. So yes, it is also little dewy. Tiny bit more just on the apples of my cheeks. Blending the rest with the sponge. Yes, it is a bit dewy and I like that, until and unless I'm going out like in a very hot, humid weather. Dulce de Leche by Wet n Wild, this contour palette. We're adding a very light amount of powder because I just want the skin to look breathable. The lip liner is a nude color. Very pretty it looks. I'm filling the entire lips with this because this is really pretty base shade. Going with the matte lipstick from Makeup Revolution in shade Attraction. Matte Attraction. Yes. So this is the final look. Hope you guys liked the output, and this is my peachy makeup to go out. Maybe I won't go out, but yes, this is it. For all the makeup products, the links will be in the description, so you can check it out and let me know if you like this look and if you want me to create some other look in future. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.